Welcome guys, we will examine a few cool gadgets in 2020. Through extensive research and testing. Based on their price and their design. Please like the video, and for weekly tech videos don't forget to subscribe. To learn everything about technology, you should see the end of the video. So, let's start. Our first e-bike is Vanmoof Electrified S2 and X2. Let's check out amazing features of this e-bike. Reframing the future. With an updated motor, automatic electronic gear shifting, and integrated anti-theft tech. The Vanmoof S2 and X2 are custom tuned for the ultimate riding experience. We are keep telling. Theft defense. Effortless to use, useless to steal, onboard alarms. And smart location tracking are specially designed to give bike thieves nightmares. And there is a lot of smartness. Intelligent motor. Tuned for maximum power and a natural ride feel, our new motor runs near silently, even at top speed. Super smart electronics. The smart cartridge controls all onboard systems, processing real-time motor feedback to ensure maximum range and motor responsiveness. The reason we put this e-bike first is because it is really good quality. You can trust us. Everyone wants to take a few turns with this excitement e-bike. This amazing e-bike is €2,000. Now it's time for other e-bikes. And now it's time for the second e-bike. Rad Mini electric folding fat bike. Since this e-bike is foldable, it has different advantages than the previous e-bike. Let's take a look at its features. The rugged space saver. The new Rad Mini 4 now comes with our exclusive 20x 3.3 Ebike Rad multi-terrain tires. With a higher load rating than a standard bike tire, as well new, narrower handlebars for an ergonomic grip. You'll be more comfortable, for longer, on all your rad rides. Going on long journeys will be more fun now. Don't let the Mini and its name fool you. Sure, the Rad Mini can quickly fold when you need some extra room. But this Ebike packs quite a punch when you're ready for action and adventure. Power, convenience, and versatility make this rugged space saver a truly unique addition to any arsenal. Raise or lower the handlebar stem to your desired comfort level. This e-bike is a little cheaper than the first one. And this e-bike is sold for $1,500. The third e-bike is Raleigh Centro's. It is a bit more expensive than the previous two e-bikes. And we can move on to its features. 400Wh fully integrated Bosch battery. The 400Wh fully integrated battery will allow you to ride up to an impressive 180 km on a single charge. And integrates seamlessly into the frame, giving the e-bike a sleek finish. Bosch Active Line Plus motor. The all-new lightweight motor from Bosch performs over 1,000 measures a second. And provides a maximum power output of up to 270% of your pedal power. Bosch and 2 display. Our most sophisticated system yet allows you to get the most from your ride with ease. The operating system is quick and easy to use, and the central positioning and clear, large screen allows the rider to easily monitor the performance throughout a ride. This excellent e-bike with all these features is sold for €2350. Fourth and special design Velo Ebike by Ebike Cycles. This e-bike is specially designed. You will not want to get off when you get on. Let's start to explain its features. Controlled. Ride with confidence with our ultra-wide BMX bars and hyper-responsive twist throttle. Stealth. Ride like a ninja with our Gates belt drive that's as smooth as butter and maintenance-free. Drive. Ride further with our high-torque fat bike motor, giving better climbing performance. Accelerate. Ride quicker with our 20-inch lightweight cutout rims for improved acceleration. Customize. Ride your own way with 5 levels of power control. Each level determines power and speed. Flickable. Ride harder with our BMX Motox-inspired geometry and lightweight aluminum package. This is the most expensive e-bike you have ever seen in this video until now. You can get this extraordinary e-bike by giving $24.90. If you have enough money, you can easily buy this e-bike. Fifth and cheapest e-bike ever. Meet the Blix Vica Plus. As one of the most sold electric folding bikes on the market, they designed the Vica Plus for a large variety of riders and usage. blending elegant design, attention to details and incredibly practical features. Uncompromising design. The magic happens in the details. We build every Blix bike with an obsessively high level of attention to details and allowing us to create a utility-friendly e-bike with high-performance components for any riding conditions without sacrificing a visually compelling design. Folding frame. The Vica Plus frame smartly folds in half to let you bring it with you wherever you go and easily store it wherever you are. Folds into 36x 21x 28.5 inches. Easy to ride. We designed the Vica Plus to be the most user-friendly folding e-bike on the market. That means a low frame design with just a 21-step over height, a low point of gravity with a smart battery placement, and a robust frame for stable riding. If you don't have much budget, you can buy this e-bike for $1,600. Non-stop. We continue. Now we will introduce the sixth and cheapest e-bike in this video. Got Trax Shift S1. Meet every commuter's best friend, the Shift S1 e-bike. This electric bike is built with high-quality materials and a long-lasting battery that lasts up to 15 miles per charge. Reinvent your commute with this lightweight and foldable electric bike. The triple-fold design allows the Shift S1 e-bike to be the most portable e-bike around. The lightweight frame and foldable design is perfect if you need to store on a train, bus, office, elevator, or need to climb up a few flights of stairs. The Shift S1 electric bike has a max speed of 20 miles per hour, so getting to class, work or even just cruising around is always a fun and fast adventure. Move between 3 gears to choose how fast you cruise or switch over to pedaling to get in that workout. It's up to you to choose how much the 350-watt motor takes over. We said the cheapest e-bike, and you can get this e-bike for $500. The penultimate e-bike is the Velo Quest Max folding e-bike. If you don't want to deal with constant repairs, it's an e-bike for you. The Quest 1 features a capable 250W rear hub motor and a powerful, removable Samsung battery with up to 40 miles of range. Its cutting-edge Gates belt drive system and efficient, single-speed transmission ensures a smooth and maintenance-free riding experience. Best of all, it's much lighter than other electric bikes and folds for easy handling. The Quest 1 features an easy-to-use and dependable folding mechanism. The bike folds in less than 30 seconds folded and can be stored virtually anywhere. Its lightweight and compact form make it easy to transport and carry. A smoother, maintenance-free ride. Gates Carbon Drive is the latest in bike drive system technology, replacing the traditional chain with a carbon-reinforced belt drive. The belt drive doesn't need grease, doesn't rust, and is virtually maintenance-free. This excellent feature e-bike is $2,200. Its price is above average compared to others, but it deserves it. Its price is above average compared to others, but it deserves it. Its price is above average compared to others, but it deserves it. Its price is above average. The last e-bike we will introduce is Ebike MX5. This e-bike is in full balance in terms of both price and performance. My suggestion is to buy this e-bike. Maybe I can get myself one from this e-bike. Let's start introducing the features of the last e-bike. Shine like a star. Ebike MX5 is equipped with a powerful, chic and futuristic LED front light and a rear light with different lighting modes, all for your safety. Wide-angle LED front light will maximize your visibility at night, make you distinguishable, and help you spot potholes or debris in your way. You are in safe hands with MX5's enhanced safety measures. Simplicity at its finest. Every detail is considered, creating the best third-generation foldable e-bike. MX5's detachable battery block is intelligently hidden in its frame and secured with its locking mechanism. The detachable battery block can be placed and secured in the socket easily with its key. It can be simply detached by unlocking with its key, and you do not need to drag your e-bike next to the plug. Practical and secure in every step. Youthful, playful, and safe. Ebike MX5 is equipped with an updated front and rear disc brake system technology to rein in its wild power. Updated disc brake system technology provides you 20% shorter braking distance, resistance against all weather conditions on a safer deceleration without spinning. You can buy this e-bike with all these features for only $1,000. We tried to introduce you to the most beautiful e-bike models in this video. For the continuation of the videos, please subscribe to the channel and like our video. Thank you and see you in the next video.